Hi, welcome back to the video. Uh, I don't really know what to do here, but I guess we can do night 3. But then again, it's not gonna be so interesting. Night 3, dark rooms we can do, I guess. Ooh, yes, this one's a good one. Mangle. Mangle? I don't know. I just choose something random. Okay, grab and release. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot I can be taller. Push buttons and continue. Okay. Oh. Let's do it. I hope I don't get murdered.
Welcome to Vet Repair. Fazbear Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities. Each facility is set to a perfect 72 degrees all the time. The 4 active indicator lights mean we have a well-functioning ventilation system. Your headlamp should protect you from any critters who may have stumbled into the ducts. As a certified vent technician, you should need no instruction. However, in case of an emergency,
critters
it is important to remember that
bugs,
as the vent technician,
rats, right?
you should never, under any circumstances,
maybe not
attempt
any
to
animatronics. You don't mean any animatronics, right? Yeah, be fucking me, the animatronics. Get away. Oh, don't open that. What am I supposed to do? Exactly? Do that. Do that. Is that really it? Oh, wow, I opened that. That's kind of bad. I can't fucking do this, man. Here, fucking. Where is it? I see you. You. Where? Somewhere. What? Oh, shoot. Okay, Squidward. Where are you? What now? Wait, oh. Okay. Where? Fuck are you? Click that, click that. Oh my god. Shoot. Red? Oh, you did it. I'm pro. Oh.
A perfect 72 degrees.
A perfect 70 degrees.
See you next time.
And traumatization. I don't like that. I do not like that. Oh my god. Is that a premium deluxe cake? Oh my god. Oh fuck. The cake's a lie. Fuck the cake. Cake's a lie. I don't want the cake. Cake's a lie. Damn, I ate that whole thing. I'm fat as heck, man. Oh, man, I'm fat as heck. Get away from me. I don't like you. Also, I forgot there's this button, but I don't know. Yeah, I just found out that button a lot. Hold on. Oh wait, that goes somewhere. Where'd that go? Like, okay, so no, like that button goes somewhere. And then it goes on that wire. Does it go to the price counter or something? Oh, yeah, there was a tape right there. I throw the basketball at that thing. I don't know what to do with it now. Oh, what the? Wait, what? I can get a fucking cockroach. A real disgusting cockroach. Oh. I want a cockroach. Can have, oh, I can't have unlimited cockroaches. Come on. Actually, when it in. Oh. Wait, don't tell me. Do not tell me I can. There's no way I can do. Why? Why? Oh, why is that dark? Wait, if it. Why is that dark, huh? Wait. Still there. Here, take some candy. Screw you. Alright, oh, bye bye. Says him. No.